Welcome to Mixing Madness.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks!
Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I am going to be showing you how to make a glow-in-the-dark white builder gel. And I got this glow-in-the-dark powder on Etsy. I got a half an ounce for about $8. Now this looks like it's glowing a little bit green, yellow, but actually it glows white, okay? It's hard to get the actual color that it glows, but it glows white. In the daytime, it's white. Turn on my lights. In the daytime, it's white, and it glows at night white. So yeah, I will have the links to this glow-in-the-dark powder in the description box below if you care to check it out. So let's go ahead and start with our builder gel mix. I'm going to be using some Star Nails builder gel. This is the regular consistency. It's not thick, it's just regular. And there is a small amount in there, and I'll show you. I want to add a little bit of these little hexies. They're very small. They're 0.008, like maybe that much. Like that. I think that's good. Now, honestly, I have no idea what the shelf life of this will be. Okay, I think that's good. We're going to go ahead and test it on a Swatch stick. You could put this over a white base of some kind. I'm going to put this inside the lamp and cure it for 1 minute. All right, so this is a base of a white builder gel. So we're going to go ahead and put it over that and see how it works over top of that. And now I'm going to cure that for a minute. All right, so we're going to put another layer over that. Now, do you see how it looks more yellow when it's in the pot than it does on the stick? Does definitely need another layer over that. All right, that looks a lot better. All right, I'll cure that for 1 minute and I'll be back. Okay, and here is the finished swatch sticks. This is the one that just has clear, and this is the one that has the white builder gel underneath it. Let's turn out the lights and see how they glow.
This is the final glow result, and I'm fairly happy with it, although I think I could have added a little bit more glow powder, because the one on the left is the one that has the white builder gel on the swatch stick, and then the one on the right is just the glow mix by itself. So that tells me that I probably needed to add a little bit more glow powder to it, but you know what? I can still do that. I really like how it turned out. I know it's coming off like a bluish white, but off camera, it really is kind of like a white. And I really like how it turned out. I hope you like it too. Maybe you'll give it a try. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.